In this video, I will show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So let's jump straight into it. So to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up YouTube on your device. Now, once you've done that, you want to make sure you're logged into the account that you want to turn off restricted mode for. Then if you come down to the bottom right hand corner, what you're going to want to do is press onto your YouTube profile picture. So what that's going to do is take you across to your YouTube profile page, and from here you want to come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the gear icon to open up your settings. In your settings, what you want to do at the very top underneath the account section, you want to go ahead and press onto general. And in your general section, you're going to see the option for restricted mode. So as you can see, this helps to hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and this setting only applies to this app on this device. So just something to bear in mind there, but to turn off restricted mode, all you need to do is simply turn the switch off, just like so, and you are good to go. You've now turned off restricted mode on YouTube. So that is how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. With that being said, if this video did help you out today, then I would really appreciate it if you was to consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next video.